Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down and tap on backup and reset, and here as you can see we've got whole Google backup section, so to start it, to activate it, we have to tap on backup accounts. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. And here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept because we will be transferred to this section where you can check more details. So you can use 15 GB of the account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, to this section, so your device will start to save the data on it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.